talking about freedom of religion, the most basic of individual liberties. Scientology may seem a little wacky to Mr. Espenson. So what? We never hold religion up to standards of reasonableness. If we did, what religion could pass? Christian Scientists won't go to the doctor. Jehovah's Witnesses forbid singing the national anthem and buying Girl Scout cookies. Radical Islamists blow themselves up to meet virgins in heaven. The Hindus have their cow. People believe in all kinds of things. It is their right to do so under the First Amendment. But the defendant doesn't want to afford that liberty to Douglas Carnes because he thinks that Scientology is just a little too out there, I guess. Come on. Freedom of religion means just that.
Oh, please, it's a dumb freedom. An employee's behavior reflects on their employer, for God's sake. In this case, we're talking about a law firm, a business, in which clients look for good judgment, sound and sane counsel. This guy's running around saying man evolved from a big clam after galactic warlords invaded our volcanoes. He's a nut job. And I don't know about you, but I'm getting a little tired of this freedom of religion thing. When did religion get such a good name anyway? Be it the Crusades, the Reformation genocides, the troubles in Northern Ireland, the Middle East, mass slaughters supposedly in the name of Allah, and then of course the obligatory reciprocal retributions. Hundreds of millions of people have died in religious conflicts. Hitler did his business in the name of his creator. 9/11 was an act of religious extremism. It's our greatest threat today, a holy jihad. If we're not ready to strip religion of its sacred cow status, how about we at least scale back a little on the constitutional dogma exalting it as all get out?
Your Honor, I would love to know what this has to do with my client being fired.
Your client was fired because he entered into an at-will employment contract. He acted like a complete loon, and he now tries to cloak himself in a constitutional amendment that is as overplayed as it is misapplied. Everybody should get to believe in God. Pray to his God, worship his God, of course. But to impose him on others, to victimize others in his name, the founding fathers of this country set out to prevent persecution, not to license it. And for Jerry Espenson struggling with his law practice to make ends meet, don't tell me he's not victimized when one of his lawyers bounces around telling clients and other attorneys that according to his most recent electropsychometer reading, he's getting closer to immortality, at which point he'll be able to leave his body and talk to zebras. At a certain point, we have to say, enough with this freedom of religion crap. Yuck!